Hi guys, back again with another video. Now in this video we are going to do the review of the Philips garment steamer. Now this is a 523 model, so if you have the 510 or any other 500 series model, it's going to be the same. So we are going to look at what all do you get with this. This is a part of it. So what all you're going to get with this, we will be testing it. We'll be showing you how to use different cloths, different garments with this, how to actually iron them, and you will actually get to know how easy or how hard it's going to be to use this, and will it be able to replace your conventional iron box. So let's go ahead, first take a look at the device itself. Let's see what all do we get here and then talk more about it. Okay, so let's see what all do we get. So this is the base unit. So over here you have, this is off, then 1 2 3 4 5 levels of steam. So the last one will give you the highest amount of steam. So depending on what your actually needs are, you can actually change the setting. Like if you have something really thick, like if you want to maybe iron a blanket, then maybe go to the highest one. If not, you can keep going lower. Now right now it's off. There is a plug which goes in over there, and you can just keep it off from here. You do not need to switch it off from there. Now if I switch it on from here, you'll see a blue light switches on, and then the water starts boiling, and then the vapor is created inside. This is the pipe which actually is connected over here, and this is our nozzle. So from here the steam comes out. Now to attach, you get one attachment with this, which is this one. So this one has this brush attachment in case you want to put that. Okay, and it's done. So that's the brush attachment, and with this you have this option to actually make a crease. So with this, since you're just doing like that, if you want to make a crease on any cloth, like on the shirt you want to make any crease, so you can actually catch this between this and then pull it through and it will make a crease. But I am not a big fan of that. It doesn't really work very well with me, but I use this sometimes to just hold the cloth. Then with this you get a glove, a funny looking one, a snowman glove. So but this is actually quite effective. So you wear this, and then even if you touch this, the steam does not hit your hand, and you do not get burned. But if the steam hits your hand, it is really hot. Make sure you do not touch the steam. Now let's keep this there. Let's see the rest of the thing. So now you have two poles here, which is height adjustable. So now if I want, I can make it go that low. Okay, I did not remove this. Okay, so it goes that low. Now this is an extra attachment, so if you want to use it, you can use it. If you don't want, don't use it. This actually helps you with some of the, like if you're using a shirt or something like that, then it actually helps you with that, but you can use it without that. Now this is how it is. It goes that high. So depending on how tall you want it, you can actually make it go up or make it go down. Now this is the part where you actually put your shirt. So I'll just remove this, keep it down for now. So if you want to put a shirt or something, this is the hanger. So you can put the shirt around or the jacket around, and then you can start ironing it. Now ideally, I don't really need this. This is just to give a flat surface, but I don't really need this when I'm actually ironing a thick stuff like a jacket or something. But if I'm using like silk or something very thin material or something which actually slips a lot, then I prefer to use this. Now this is also attached like this. Let me just show you. So you have these two hooks and these four hooks here. So you put this like that, and then just push this in place, and that's it. So that's how it works. Now let's see the main part. So this is the main thing. So this is where the water is. So to open it, there's a lock here. You unlock it and then remove the water chamber. So if you want to fill water, just rotate this and put the water in, and once you're done with it, and if there's extra water and you're not going to use this for a long time, just empty it. If not, the water will just remain there. So this has this mechanism over here, valve mechanism, so as soon as you put it in, the water comes out. If not, it does not leak out. So this has a capacity of 1.6 liters, which will go on for 45 minutes. So it will give you steam for 45 minutes. So let's put this back, and putting it in, taking it out is quite easy. So that's how this actually looks like. Now let's try testing it. Now let me put this on. I'll put it on the highest heat. Now it will take 45 seconds for this to start steaming. Okay, so let's see how to actually iron a shirt with this. So you can just put it around the hanger. Now you can bring it from the bottom like this, then the nozzle does not come in the way. Now you see how creased this is. So I can either put the buttons and then do the ironing, but I generally don't do that. I just pull it like this and then do one side and then the other one. So let's see how to do that. So okay, it is on. Now all I have to do is gently hover over it like that. And you see, it's done. So it's that easy. You will have a little bit of water droplets here and there, but that's fine, that will go off. Now even the hands, you can actually hold it like this and do that. If not, a lot of people do this, just hold it like this and then do it, so that the crease is always straight. So that way. So now in this scenario, the steam does not go on your hand. Now if you're holding it like this and then you're doing it also, that is also fine. But you have two ways. So this, now the biggest problem is the collars. So a lot of people have problem with that. But anyways, with this, I just do this. I want to do the collars properly. Then I can always hold it like this and then do the collars. So collars, it's not an easy way. I mean, this way it looks very simple. I actually figured it out after a long time. I had to test a lot of different things, as in different angles and stuff. But this way you can do the collars also, and they come out really nice and crisp. So shirt is not that difficult. You do have an attachment to create crease. So this one, so you can just hold, let me just put this here, I don't want to burn myself. So you can hold this area like this, and you can attach this to the steamer, and then you can pull it like that to create a crease. But I didn't get a hang of it. I keep on making wrong creases with this, so I didn't really use this that much. I just use it directly. So that's how you do a shirt. Let me just show you a jacket. So this is a jeans jacket. So thick cloth. Let's see how it's going to behave. Okay, this is not really that squeezed. Okay, squeezed enough, I guess. Okay, so now same way you just do this. Now in case the steam is not enough, you can always increase the steam. Now this is not on the full setting, this is still just on the 4th one. You have one more left and it's done. So you see how nice and clean it is. So one thing which I like about this is that the steam actually cleans the odor out of it. So if you've actually kept this in the almari for a long time, or there's a smell coming out of it, you can actually put essence also in this, not perfume. There are special essence that you get for this, which does not clog the system and does not spoil the motor, does not spoil the mechanism. You do get those essence. You can put that, and you can do the ironing, and the entire cloth will smell good. So that's how you do this. Even the collars, everything can be done like this. Now you see I'm using my hand here. That is wrong. You should always use this glove which you get with this. Now with this my hand won't burn with the steam. So with this I can just do the collars like that, and we are done. Now all this understood. Now what if I want to use something which I cannot hang over here, like if I want to do maybe okay, I want to do this, then how do I do that? So I can actually put this on the clip. So you get these clips, so you can clip it onto this like that, and okay, and then steam it that way. So it doesn't matter what kind of cloth you have, thick, thin, whether it's silk or whether it's got embroidery, whatever it is, you can use this on anything without actually spoiling the color or spoiling the cloth, the texture and anything. This is going to keep everything safe. You can choose your steam setting, how much of steam you want. This is on 4, I can actually go to 5. So this is 5. Now I'll get more steam, and then the entire thing will be cleaned and it will remove the bacteria from it, because this is hot steam going in. Like this is actually a table mat, so it's on the table most of the time, so there's a lot of bacteria which will be going on that when you're eating food and stuff, dropping stuff. So this will actually cleanse it and it will be bacteria free. So that's what I like about this. I can do the ironing, I can even clean the house, I can do as in sanitize most of my stuff which is there in the house. So that's what I like about this. So that's how it's used. Now let's talk about who should be buying this and will it actually replace your regular iron box. Now this is actually quite good. I like that this is a vertical option instead of a horizontal option. So it's in one corner of my house. I can just put whatever I have to iron, just put it on top and then steam it fast and then just get out of the house. I don't have to wait for too long. So will it replace your iron box? It totally depends on you. If you want something which is portable and goes into one corner of your house and does not take too much of space, then this is a good option. This is for around 6,000 something. If you actually invest on a ironing board and iron or even a steam iron, then that will definitely go more than that. Just the board itself will go for 3,000-4,000, and then you know, so it comes out to be almost the same. So it depends on you. It's your preference. You've seen how to use it. It's a different way of ironing. It's a safer way, it's a cleaner way, and I prefer this more than your regular iron box because I have actually burnt a lot of stuff, and there are a lot of things that I cannot iron with my iron box. I have to send it to the laundry to get it ironed because there are maybe sequence work or maybe there are delicate embroidery and all those things which your iron box cannot handle. Even rubber prints. So if you have rubber prints on your t-shirts, this is going to be the best option. It will not burn it, and you can actually iron the entire thing without burning the rubber from anywhere. So generally what I do is make it go inside out and then iron it, and even in those situations if I have rubber prints on the back and front, then it's got merged and I've actually destroyed a few of my t-shirts like that. So in this case that will not happen. Now you can decide for yourself whether this is good for you or not. That's it for this video. If you like the video, please subscribe with the like button and do comment, and I'll see you again with another video. Bye bye.